For the first time, technicians now have a way to directly reflash locked FBS4, VGS4, 0NAG, 2 modules through diagnostics. This is the new Extreme FBS4, VGS4, 0NAG, 2 tool by Diagcode. First, we connect to a locked VGS4 module from a W212. We start with Vediamo to demonstrate the module condition and firmware behavior. We enter the FBS4 routines and attempt to read the FBS4 serial number. The request starts loading, but after a few seconds the process fails. As you can see on the screen, the module returns an error because the firmware is locked. Next, we attempt a standard VGS4 CFF flash session. We select a different software version and start the flash process. The flash procedure starts, but the session fails again. At this point, we switch directly to the Diagcode software. First, we read the module information. We can compare the serial number shown by the software with the serial number printed directly on the module itself. Next, we check the current software version installed on the module. Now we select a different version, the exact same one we tried to flash earlier but failed. We start the process. The software detects the locked firmware automatically and continues the flash procedure. A few seconds later, the process is completed successfully. Extreme FBS4, VGS4, 0NAG, 2 tool by Diagcode. We continue where others stop.